Quick video today to show you how to make a mac and cheese meal. Some of us are concerned about calories, more so me and my family, and others are just worried about getting enough calories at a low-cost meal. So I'm going to try to show you how to extend a box of macaroni and cheese to feed 4 people. To do this, you'll need a box of mac and cheese, some regular pasta, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of butter, some frozen vegetables or canned vegetables, and if you want to increase the calories, a can of cream soup. You need to bring a large can of water to boil, and you're going to add a cup of regular pasta. You're going to let that cook for a couple of minutes because the cook time is longer. Stir the pasta and make sure the water returns to a boil. When that's finished cooking for a couple of minutes, you're going to stir in the pasta that came with your mac and cheese sauce. Again, stir that and return it to boiling so the pasta doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Reduce your heat if your water looks like it's going to boil over. It'll need to cook for about 7 minutes. While your pasta is cooking, go ahead and open your tuna. I suggest rinsing off the can, washing it well before opening it, and then open it. Press down on the lid and squeeze out all of the water that's in the tuna. Add your vegetables. Broccoli, green peas are a couple that work well to the mixture with a couple of minutes left. Bring it back to a boil and check the doneness of the vegetables and the pasta. If you don't have a colander, you can use a lid, hold down firmly, and drain the water. Please be very careful. It's much safer if you have a colander. You can pour the pasta and vegetables into the colander and let it drain. Return your pan to the stove, and then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of butter or margarine, the cheese packet from the mac and cheese, and the drained tuna. If you were going to add cream soup to your mixture, you would do so at this time as well. Stir that together a little bit and then add your pasta and vegetables.